welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show that how to find your Google Chrome search history. It's pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Google Chrome app, and then after that just simply tap at your search bar. In your search bar, after that search icon, it will show all of that specific searches which you have made recently, or you can just simply tap at these three dots in the top right corner and tap at history. Here it will show all of your search history and all of your browsing data. Like here you can see that if you have visited any website, it will show that specific name and that web page which you have visited on that website. And if you have searched something, here you can see Google search is written in front of every search which we have made. From this Google search, you can like guess that this is a search or this is a website I have visited. I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys. And if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to delete your search history on Google Chrome, so just simply make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen.